ఒక డెమో నిర్వహించనున్నారు నేవీ అధికారులు. ఈ సందర్భంగా దాదాపుగా ఏర్పాట్లన్నీ పూర్తయ్యాయి. మొత్తంగా మనం చూసుకున్నట్లయితే ప్రజల్లో దేశభక్తిని విద్యార్థుల్లో మధ్యాహ్నం మనం వాడుతాం.
వెళ్ళిపోతుంది
వెళ్ళిపోయింది పడవ.
ఒక బలమైన ప్రదేశానికి
మనసుగా
तकनीक की मदद से सफाई को ढूंढने का काम करते हैं। आप देख सकते हैं ఎడం పక్కన ఆయన సబ్పారెంట్ బయలుదేరిన యూఎస్ఎస్ హెలికాప్టర్ లో మన హెలికాప్టర్ నుంచి తాముతూ కింద ఉన్న జమినీ బోర్డులోకి దిగుతారు. ఇది ఎంతో రైతులందరూ కుటుంబంగా आइना चालक हेलीकॉप्टर वायुयान के
నేవలాడేది కాదనుకుంటా అదే నేవలాడేది
We conduct a large number of activities during the Navy Week, such as the blood donation camps, medical camps, marathon runs, and many other activities such as ships being open to the visitors, taking people out to sea, such as this sortie. We also have an operational demonstration that we do of the city of Vizag, of the RK beach, and this is presently planned for the Navy Day, which is the 4th of December, and we are very pleased to inform you that the Union Minister for Civil Aviation, Shri Ashok Gajapati Raju, has kindly accepted our invitation to be the chief guest during the Navy Day operational demonstration of RK Beach this year. We also are going to have a couple of rehearsals for that. The final rehearsal being on the 2nd of December, and a few other rehearsals starting from the 28th of this month, and that is when I think a large section of the population of Visakhapatnam will have the opportunity to witness the operational demonstration from the RK beach. We have a lot of capability. We have 26 ships in the Eastern Fleet, and most of the time we are doing our work out at sea, away from the gaze of the media and the public. So we once again welcome this opportunity to take all of you out to sea and show you a bit of what we do at sea. So thank you very much, and welcome once again to INS Shakti and to the Eastern Fleet. We hope you have a good outing, and we hope to take you back to harbour by about 3 o'clock or 3:30 in the afternoon. Thank you very much. The P-8I aircraft, which is a maritime reconnaissance aircraft, one of our latest acquisitions, which operates out of Arkonam. You might have seen one of them flying across today. I think perhaps for the Navy Week, this may be the first time that we are fielding this aircraft for the operational demonstration. But otherwise, by and large, it is a variation of what we do every year.